What's up, everybody? It's Dena Mohammed here from Miss Studio. We're diving into the top 5 free video editing software options for 2024. Whether you're just starting out or a seasoned pro, everyone loves a good free software option, right? Let's get right into it. First up, DaVinci Resolve, a beast in the video editing world. This software has become a staple for both amateur and professional video editors alike. Known for its professional-grade features, it offers a comprehensive suite of tools that cater to every aspect of video production. It's used in Hollywood productions, making it a trusted choice for high-stakes projects. The free version is still insanely powerful, providing access to a wide range of features that are often only available in paid software. The color grading tools are legendary, offering unmatched control and precision. These tools allow editors to fine-tune every aspect of color in their footage. This level of detail ensures that the final product looks exactly as envisioned, with vibrant colors and perfect tones. Resolve is a full-fledged video editor, capable of handling everything from basic cuts to complex projects with multiple layers and effects. Whether you're trimming clips or working on a feature-length film, DaVinci Resolve has the tools you need. You can edit, mix audio, add visual effects, and create motion graphics, all within the same software. This makes it incredibly versatile and efficient. The learning curve is steep, but worth it. Mastering DaVinci Resolve can open up a world of possibilities for your video projects. Tons of tutorials are available online, making it easier to learn and master the software. From beginner guides to advanced techniques, there's something for everyone. It's a professional-grade tool that's completely free, which is almost unheard of in the industry. You really can't beat that. With its powerful features and accessibility, DaVinci Resolve truly stands out as the king of color grading and video editing. Next, we have HitFilm Express, a fantastic tool perfect for aspiring filmmakers and YouTubers alike. Whether you're just starting out or looking to enhance your content, this software has got you covered. It blends editing and visual effects seamlessly, making it easier than ever to create professional-looking videos without needing multiple programs. You can add explosions, create stunning sci-fi effects, and much more, all within the same software. Imagine the possibilities for your next project. The visual effects tools are fully integrated, so there's no need to switch between different programs. This integration saves you time and keeps your workflow smooth and efficient. HitFilm Express offers a surprising amount of control and customization. You can tweak and adjust effects to your heart's content, ensuring your video looks exactly how you envisioned it. Plus, there's a great library of tutorials available on their website. These tutorials can help you get the most out of the software, whether you're a beginner or an experienced editor. However, it's worth noting that HitFilm Express can be quite demanding on your system. Older computers might struggle to keep up with the software's requirements. But if your machine can handle it, HitFilm Express is an incredible tool that can elevate your video editing to the next level. It's like having a mini Hollywood studio right on your desktop. The range of features and capabilities it offers is truly impressive. Best of all, HitFilm Express is completely free to use, with a paid pro version available for those who want even more advanced features. It's definitely worth checking out if you're serious about video editing. Next, Shotcut, a completely free and open-source video editor, developed by a community of passionate volunteers. Surprisingly capable, supports a wide range of video formats. Basic editing features like cutting, trimming, and transitions. Clean and straightforward interface, easy to use. Interface can feel a bit dated, and development is slower. Reliable, no-frills editor for any purpose, personal or commercial. Definitely worth considering. Up next, OpenShot, perfect for beginners. Super user-friendly interface, easy to start experimenting. Basic editing tools, animated titles, transitions, and light compositing. Accessible on Windows, Mac, and Linux. Limitations with larger, more complex projects. Not the best for feature films, but great for simple projects. Ideal for social media content and learning the ropes. Free, easy to use, and a great way to get started. Fantastic option for beginners. Last, we have Lightworks, a hidden gem that has been a staple in Hollywood film editing for years. It's the unsung hero behind many blockbuster movies. This professional-grade editor offers a free version that is surprisingly robust. It's packed with features that rival even the most expensive software on the market. One of its standout features is the focus on real-time editing. You can see effects applied instantly, making the editing process smooth and efficient. Lightworks also boasts a unique, customizable interface. This allows editors to tailor their workflow to their specific needs, enhancing productivity and creativity. However, the free version does come with some limitations, such as the ability to export only in 720p. This might be a drawback for some, but it's still quite functional for many projects. For those who need higher resolution exports like Full HD or 4K, an upgrade to the paid version is necessary. This unlocks the full potential of the software. Even with the 720p limit, the free version of Lightworks offers incredible value. It's a powerful tool for those on a budget, providing professional quality editing capabilities. Access to a powerful, professional-grade editor for free is a rare find. Lightworks delivers on this promise, making it a top choice for many editors. It's also an excellent platform for students or beginners who are learning the ropes of video editing. The professional workflow it offers is invaluable for educational purposes. Lightworks is truly a hidden gem in the video editing world. Its combination of powerful features, customizable interface, and affordability make it a standout choice for both amateurs and professionals alike. So there you have it, my top 5 picks for the best free video editing software in 2024. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, there's a tool for you. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Miss Studio for more tutorials and content.